This is fantasy fudge.
Fantasy?
Yeah.
So that's the sugar, butter, and now putting in the chocolate chips.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get it to go viral.
Right.
See, this is starting to thicken up. But you want to make sure it's all mixed together. Okay.
Is that the right consistency?
Yeah. Now we need to get this.
The marshmallow?
Let's see what's next. Add the remaining ingredients. Yep. Time for everything. This goes. Oh, that's a lot of nuts.
Walnuts?
I don't like it like that. Give me that spoon.
Spoon.
See, it doesn't stick then.
Need another spoon?
No. I had my finger. Fortunately, this doesn't set that quick, so you can have time to do all this.
Oh, because otherwise it would be...
Yeah, sitting up while we're trying to put all this in there.
Here's another spoon if you need it.
No, I'm gonna, well, I can do it with this, I think. Oh, I guess I can. Now this takes the color down a little bit, obviously.
Oh, the chocolate color kind of makes it lighter.
It gets more fudgy looking. That's enough of that.
Okay.
Put the lid on, the lid's there, and just throw it away. Put this in the sink in the water, in that cup.
Okay.
And you want to do the vanilla?
Yeah, how much vanilla?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Coming right up.
And kind of drizzle it around if you can.
Okay.
And pour it over this just in case the excess falls out.
Oh, it's like perfect.
Is that a teaspoon? That's not much.
It's a teaspoon. Come over here and look.
No, I know, but take it to the top.
Alright, well.
That's why I said pour it over here.
Okay. I mean, it's not much more is gonna.
It's okay if it spills over. This isn't an exact science. See how much more you got in?
Yeah.
Just sprinkle it around. Okay, there we go.
Wow, there's
Perfect.
a lot of heat coming off.
In there?
Mm-hmm.
This is what fits.
We're little elbow grease.
Yeah. You have to pull that up from the bottom.
Holy cow. And this makes 3 pounds of fudge.
That'll fill that plate.
God.
Fill it.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Now it's got nuts in it this time. And we can set it outside in the garage.
And it'll cool really quick.
Yeah, well, quicker. It takes a long time for it to cool, surprisingly.
How do you know when it's ready to pour into the pan?
You have to have all the color gone, the white. See, that's what I'm doing this one time.
Oh, to get the edges.
And we'll stir a little bit more. those. See, there's some down at the bottom yet.
Where's this recipe from?
Parquet margarine. These are all their products.
Oh, wow. Oh, those bumps are the walnuts.
Huh?
I was trying to figure out what those bumps were. That's the walnuts.
Yeah, a lot of walnuts.
Is it ready?
Okay.
Okay, we're going to pour it in.
Wait a minute, I gotta get a hold of it. It ain't easy to hold, and you gotta work quick because I can't hold this.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Ah, this is hot.
All right.
Ooh, shit.
Whoop. You got it?
Not really. Wait a minute.
Do you want a bigger towel?
No. You got to get going. Get it out of
Yeah, I
there.
know. I don't want to pull it too hard because it's going to pull the bowl out of your hand.
Yeah, it is. Okay, go, go, go quickly. Good God.
I'm trying
I
not to
thought
pull
you
the
could
bowl
go-
out of your hand.
I thought you could go quicker than this. That's
Well,
why.
I'm trying, but if I pull too hard, it's gonna pull the bowl.
Quick, get it out.
I'm trying. Is the bowl hot?
Jesus. Yes, it's hot. It's 1,000 degrees. Oh shit! It's on my finger.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep scooping.
Okay. Hold on. Just set it right there.
Yeah,
Let me
just
do
quick.
that.
Yeah,
And
quick.
then once we get
Quickly
left-
though.
I know I am.
That's not quickly.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
And move it around. Start moving it.
And
Keep going.
well, pretty soon we're gonna be able to use the scraper.
Oh my God.
Wow, this is. Did you make a full batch last time?
Yeah.
Dang, this is a lot of money. Okay,
I
I
know.
think pretty soon we're gonna be ready for the scraper.
Well, you can get a lot out with that spoon.
Hold on. Okay, well, let's get.
Well, here, start scraping. Quick.
I'm going
Here,
to.
this.
I'm going to.
There's a big hunk up here.
Big hunk up where?
Right here, I can see it.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Now spread it. It needs to be spread. Go ahead and spread it.
Golly, this is a lot of fudge.
Yeah, this is going to be thick because it's got all those nuts in. Get the rest of this and we'll...
I think there's some on the stove too. We could
It's
probably.
all over the stove.
Here. Look out.
There's some on the side. Get the
Okay.
rest of this on the side.
Oh. On the side of the bowl.
And on the inside. Well, there's... You can do a final scoop on it.
You can probably get all that.
Yep, see it's starting to set because that'll be fine.
Okay.
Oh,
And then we'll just let that sit.
yeah, let's wipe it off. So it looks like professionals have done this.
It is professional. Oh, the edge.
No, I wasn't sure after I burned my finger.
Mm-hmm.